Shanxi Huahao Industry and Trade Group Company Limited was established in 2004. It has three branch companies: Shanxi Betop Industry and Trade Company Limited, Shanxi Huao Shengda Mining Construction Company Limited, Beijing Nengxingqiansha Culture Company Limited. The assets of the group company amounts to 120 million yuan and was honored as Taiyuan Municipal Top 50 Manufacturers. Shanxi Huao Industry and Trade Group Company Limited is engaged in the production, sales, and technical service of conveyor belt, rubber, industrial, and mineral products. The products include majorly various kinds of rubber goods, cold and hot vulcanization cement, rubber adhesives, anti-explosive vulcanization press for coal mine, conveyor belt pulley lagging sheet, ceramic lagging sheet, impact bar, skirt rubber, belt cleaner, ply belt strip machine, steel cord strip machine, etc. Technical service include metal splicing such as pulley lagging, cohesion at the rear end of the conveyor belt, anti-corrosion storage cabin, shock absorption adhesives, conveyor belt joint splicing, conveyor belt fast repair filled rubber. Our products and technical service are mainly used in rubber conveyor belt, vibrating feeder, storage cabin for coal mine, cement plant, power plant, steel and iron factories, as well as ports. Cold splicing. In order to improve the operation of the conveyor belt, to eliminate the spillage and sliding of pulley, to reduce the frictional and corrosion resistance, adhesives treatment are applied on the surface of the pulley. There are three different kinds of pulley lagging sheet: plain rubber sheet, diamond pattern rubber, and ceramic lagging sheet. For the reparation of the conveyor belt, we use self-developed adhesives, including metal primer TP200 Huao cleaning fluid, Huao multifunction cold bond adhesive TP100, FA compound A and B rubber stripe, FA solution A and B. We also use self-developed tools including FA angle grinder, FA extruder gun. Cold splicing is carried out strictly in accordance with the rules and regulations of our company. The reparation job is done on job site quickly. Rapid cohesion of the belt avoid loading and unloading the pulley, which greatly improve the efficiency and save quite a lot of job work. Ceramic lagging sheet, which is vulcanized with alumina oxide ceramic tiles, greatly increases the wear resistance and the friction coefficient under wet, mud, or dry circumstances, may expand to 8 to 10 times compared to normal plain rubber sheet and diamond pattern rubber sheet. Therefore, ceramic lagging sheet is extremely suitable to use under muddy, moisture, and highly abrasive working conditions. Cold bonding adhesives are largely used in conveyor belt rear-end movable cohesion device and hopper. In this way, the conveyor belt itself and the supporting devices are well protected without harm. The service life is increased a lot. Conveyor belt joint hot splicing. There are two kinds of joint splicing: steel cord conveyor belt joint splicing and ply fabric conveyor belt joint splicing. Hot vulcanizing splicing is adopted for steel cord conveyor belt with self-developed LD general vulcanizing press machine, or LBD anti-explosive vulcanizing press machine for coal mines. Use self-developed manual portable steel cord conveyor belt cutting machine first to cut the damaged area. The cut by the machine is clean and neat, needless to buff, may be vulcanized directly. The cutting machine has no power. It is light and can cut immediately without sparks, no smoke, no smell. The machine is well applicable to the conveyor belt, cutting both on the ground and underground coal mine. Then use steel cord strip machine to find the joints. Peel off steel cords as per the relevant technical data. The machine can be used to remove the rubber, adjust the blades, allowing partly remainder rubber to ensure vulcanization effects. The operation is handy and easy, avoiding to move the conveyor belt, save time and labor cost, and increase the construction efficiency. Coated with rubber cement CF10, vulcanized with 2-layer uncured tie gum and uncured cover rubber. The repaired conveyor belt has strong strength, high elasticity and durability. It also has equivalent service life compared with original conveyor belt. This hot splicing method mainly fit for joint splicing and partial damage of all kinds of rubber conveyor belt, particularly PVG and steel cord conveyor belt. Cold bonding and hot vulcanization are both applicable for ply belt. Ply belt strip machine are used to strip the fabric layer of the conveyor belt joint before bonding, like a ladder. The machine is consisted of 3 parts: cable hoist, mechanical, and guide stand. The strip of the fabric layer may be accomplished one time, which is easy and quick without flip of the belt. Apply 1 even coat of TP100 cold bond adhesive on the joint. Let it dry completely. Fill the gaps with T2 gun and FA compound A and B. Splice the fabric plies. Use immediately after bonding is highly efficient at low cost. Ply belt hot splicing start with the same way as ply belt strip fabric prior to hot splicing method, same as steel cord conveyor belt. Reparation of conveyor belt. Conveyor belt reparation method: repair strip, repair patch, FA compound extrude, partly hot splicing, TP300 filled rubber. Belt repair strip are majorly used for long scratches, longitudinal tear, belt edge wear, partly superficial damage, and conveyor belt seamless joint cold adhesive. Belt repair patch are used for small area remedy. The size and the shape of the patch may be chosen to fit the damaged area. Buff the repaired area with self-developed grinder, which is made of a special tungsten steel wheel. Apply 1 even coat of TP100 cold bond adhesive on the buffing surface and let it dry completely. Trim the edge and make sure the whole surface coincide with the belt cover. For conveyor belt partial damage, small area deep scratches, FA extruder gun are used together with FA compound A and B, FA solution A and B, and FA cleaning rubber. The combination are used to fill the gaps completely in normal temperature, and the conveyor belt repaired are full elastic and can be used immediately when it is dried. The toolkits are handy, safe, and portable. May be carried to small narrow worksite. Partial hot splicing are mainly used for steel cord conveyor belt large area damage and steel cord break, with LD general vulcanization press and LBD anti-explosive vulcanization for coal mine, as well as conveyor belt edge repair machine. Hot splicing are performed in strict accordance with the construction process through high temperature vulcanization, uncured rubber tie gum, cover rubber sheet, and steel cord are melted and compacted. The strength and hardness of the damaged points can reach the target of the original conveyor belt. The repaired belt is durable and long-standing. TP300. TP300 conveyor belt quick repair filled rubber are mainly used for superficial scratch of the belt. TP300 are 4 components sets adhesives. Apply TP300 directly on the surface of the belt. Fill the holes or the scratches. Dried naturally to get the belt repaired rapidly. The cold cohesion process are simple, handy, and fast, which suits coal mine maintenance for short time production stop. Renovation of the conveyor belt. Renovation of the conveyor belt is a new technique, handled with special process with the old use conveyor belt from the coal mine. Vulcanize and renew the belt, making the surface and the technical data of the belt same as new belt. The technique have been in research and test for more than 1 year in the company and have been successfully put the renewed belt in use. The feedback of the renewed belt is positive and greatly reduced the cost by replacing a new belt. This renovation break the monopoly of the foreign techniques. Huaao people have offered whole procedure service from research, production, installation, test-to-fit operation, and perfect after-sale service. Huaao Group have been grown up and become the leading pole of the conveyor belt repair maintenance industry. Given the customer the first priority, treasure the experience with the customer. Huaao are professional and responsible and will create glory in the future development.